Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add more rows and columns to your tables on Microsoft OneNote in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, I will use this example table here. What you want to do is here on OneNote is navigate to your page, select the table and click anywhere you like here into the given row or column. For example, let me add a row to that, or just above that row here, number 2. So what you want to do is right click anywhere you like in any of these cells, and after that hover your mouse over table, and in this case here I would use the option insert row above, and that is going to add the row above, but you can of course do the same with below. So let me do that with that, or add a row below that. Right click into a table, insert row below, and you can do the same with columns. For example, I don't know, between these two. So right click into that column, hover your mouse over a table, and what you want to do is choose insert column to the left. And there it is. Now, as you can see, for some reason, I don't know why, these cells have been resized. So in this case, you will need to resize them accordingly again. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.